Hi my beautiful friends, how are you today? From the title you are aware that I am back with another fragrance review, and this time it is from the house of Titan. If you have seen me from my first video, you would know that Titan skin brand that holds a special place in my heart. My first video on this channel was Titan Skin's body mist reviews, and today I am back with the review for their EDPs. So Titan Skin definitely holds a special place in my heart and this channel as well. If you want to find out my opinion and thoughts about this brand's EDPs, then please keep on watching. But before we get started, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon next to it so that you're updated for all my future updates. With all the long intro on, now let's get started. So if you have started watching me and you have seen some of my videos, you must be aware that I prefer always testers in small size bottles rather than big bottles, because if I like the tester, I like the scent, longevity, a lot of aspects, then I go ahead and buy the bigger bottle. So I'll talk about the 3 EDPs that I have in my collection, and I believe Titan has initially launched, because Amalfi Blue was a range which was launched much later. I have that one as well, but that is not part of this review today. Today I'm going to talk about the initial 3 perfumes they launched, which is Sheer, Nude and Celeste. So yeah, let's get started. So the first one I'm going to talk about is Celeste. If you can see, it's written here. Now I had purchased these are all 20 ml, so I purchased the 20 ml initially for all the 3. Actually the 2, because Celeste and Sheer I bought it together. Nude is a very recent acquisition, but that is also in a small 20 ml bottle only. So all these 20 mls retail for rupees 545, and they have all the information regarding the perfume on the back. There's a cardboard packaging, quite indicative of the color of the bottle, pink and black. And this is how the inside packaging looks like. This is a transparent bottle, and it has got an ombre effect from black to pink and to transparent. So this perfume, Celeste, is very beautiful. I'll just quickly spray. All the lids are metal and they are very secure, tightly shut, so your fragrance is pretty much secured. But despite being glass bottles, these perfumes are very easy to carry. You can also carry them in their cardboard packaging and just slip it into your purse, and you'll be fine enough to carry these fragrances throughout the day. Now Celeste is typically classified as a fruity fragrance and maybe a hint of woodiness to it. I'll quickly spray this. The sprayer is actually not uniform, I will say. This is one aspect Titan needs to work upon, because the spray is emitting fine spritz at one time, maybe the next time it's not that uniform. So yeah, and there's a little bit of consistency issue in the sprayers of all the fragrances that I have used from Titan Skin. Now coming to this fragrance, this is a bit citrusy, fruity, very addictive, very enticing. I mean, you wear it and enter into a party and people will stare at you. If you walk past by somebody, they will definitely get a sniff of it. It is strong. So these fragrances are not for sensitive noses, I believe. I mean, I won't say sensitive noses. People who initially get a headache from perfumes, they need to sniff it first before purchasing it. So you can directly go to any Titan store. They have a separate section for their perfumes, and usually a salesperson is there who can give you testers to smell it. Then you can smell the perfume and then take your pick as to which one do you want to buy. Yeah, I find it very alluring. I love it quite a lot. Why do I love it a lot? I'll quickly talk about the notes, and then I'll explain what I love about this perfume mostly. So the top note, you have pear, ginger, grapefruit and orange, and that is precisely why the zing in the fragrance. The middle notes are jasmine, water lily and floral nectar. The base note is sandalwood, apricot nectar and musk. So when you have a combination of jasmine at the heart, and at the base you have something woody like sandalwood or cedarwood, and to top it off you have a musk to balance it out, it creates a wonderful concoction. I mean, this one is a mass pleaser. Celeste is what should I say? It's a generic smell. I mean, I'm sure you have smelled a lot of fragrances quite similar to Celeste, but it still stands out. It has a character of its own, and that is why I love this one. Once I'm done with the 20 ml, I'm surely reaching out for the bigger bottle for this one. I think for the other one as well, but nonetheless, yeah, I love these fragrances. So Celeste is a yay from my side. Moving on to the next one, which is Nude. As I said, this is a latest acquisition in my collection, so I have not used this very extensively, but I have used it once or twice. But from that, at least I have developed my opinions on this. This is also a 20 ml, as you see, and it's a cardboard packaging, and this also retails for $5.95, and you have the similar indication of what is the color of the bottle here, orange and brownish. And this is a fragrance that I first sniffed at my friend's place. We were getting ready for a wedding, and I saw that on her shelf and she offered, and I just tried it, and I fell in love with the fragrance right away, and I decided I had to buy it. But then also how it will fare on my skin for a long time I didn't know, so I placed an order right away, and it was a 20 ml bottle that I wanted to try. So if you open this bottle, your fragrance is safely housed here. Here is your fragrance, and you have a blank space here, and when you take out the fragrance, you have it inside this plastic thin sheath, this packaging, which kinds of keeps your fragrance safe. That this was there for Sheeran's, this was there for Sheeran's Celeste as well, but since I have used them up and I have been using Celeste a bit, I have thrown this away for sure. Since this is new, it has its original packaging and all of it together. So this is how Nude looks like. The name of the brand is written here, and this is the transparent bottle. This is the transparent bottle. It is black, slowly towards brown, orangish and transparent. And this is the, if you can see, this is where the brand name is written. And if I rotate it, you get Nude written right here. The lid is very secured. This one, spray, is very good. So I'm assuming since Celeste is there in my collection for some time and I didn't use it, maybe that is why the sprayer has become bad. But yeah, I'm hoping against hope that all the sprayers are good going forward. Whenever I get over with these, I'll reach out for their 100 ml bottles, and I hope the sprayer is good there. This one, oh my god, this one is a straight up woody fragrance, and this has a very versatile character. I mean, this smells kind of different on different people. I mean, it smelled different on my friend when she wore it, and it smelled different on me when I wore it. So that was interesting enough for me to be curious about this fragrance. To top it all, it smells awesome, just stunning. It's a great fragrance. This one is that kind of a fragrance which is unique, it is distinct and makes you stand apart from the rest. Whereas Celeste is one which is a mass pleaser. It will help you easily blend in with a group maybe. Nude is something that will make you stand apart from them. So it's a clear identifier that yeah, someone is here, that kind of a thing. I'll quickly talk about the notes now. Top notes includes lychee or lychee, I don't know how to pronounce that one. It has also raspberry and natural bergamot, and it is the bergamot that makes it a bit citrusy and fruity as well. The middle notes are rose petals, violet and peach rose, and the base notes are tonka bean, sandalwood and firewood. Firewood is kind of an unusual note. I have never smelled it. If I am assuming this is the smell or that comes out of burning woods, then we know what smell it is. But it's not pungent in any way. This fragrance is soft. No, it's not soft. It's woody, it's fruity, and it's kind of in between. It's different. I can't explain enough and do justice to this fragrance. This is, I know I might say that I understand why this is complex and it's so beautiful, because this is created by world-known perfumer Alberto Moreiras. So if he has created it, I'm sure that definitely that is the reason why this is great, so great. So yes, definitely when I get over through this 20 ml bottle, I'll be reaching out for the 100 ml bottle. Talking about the longevity, since both of these are perfumes, or all the three perfumes that I'm going to talk about are EDPs, they last quite long on your skin. At least on my skin, they tend to last something around early 5 to 6 hours or even more. I mean, Celeste lasts on me for 5 to 6 hours, but Sheer lasts something around 8 to 9 hours on my skin, and Nude becomes a soft, subtle linger that I can smell even the next day. So I'm totally in love with these fragrances. Can't wait to get over with this and reach out for the 100 ml. And next up we have the biggie, which is the 100 ml Skin Sheer. Now you're wondering why I have the 100 ml instead of a 20 ml? Because I've used up the 20 ml. Of course, Sheer was the first perfume that I started wearing from Skin, Titan Skin. This was the first fragrance that I fell in love with, so I used it up soon. I was saving Celeste and using it, and then I reached out for this one. The bigger bottles are expensive, I can't take that away, but given the quality of the scent and their longevity and everything, considering all the factors of their longevity, projection, I have no issues with the price point. Initially when I purchased it, it used to be $19.95, but right now they have increased the prices and it is, I guess, $2,195 or something. I'll give it on screen, all the price details and the notes will be there on screen. Now this is how the outside cardboard packaging looks like. This is also indicative of the color of the bottle, which is violet, and this is how the bottle looks like. Just look at it, how gorgeous, how stunning. Just look at the gorgeous bottle. It is purple in color. It has this transparent acrylic white lid, and you have a colored ombre type of orangish colored liquid inside. Here Sheer is written on top, and when I rotate it you get Women, Eau de Parfum, and all these details written that these are made in France. Now this one, if I have purchased the bigger bottle, that is indicative enough that I love this so much. This one spray has an issue as well. At times it works smoothly, at times it doesn't. The lid is decent, it's not super secured. The 20 ml bottles lids are better than these. Yeah, I don't think you will be carrying a 100 ml bottle unless you're crazy like me who loves to carry perfumes around regardless of being a 10 ml or a 2 ml or a 100 ml. So yeah, I used up the 20, I bought this 100. From the scent, it is directly a fruity fragrance, first of all. But it's sensual, it is addictive, and it's somewhat mouth-watering. I mean, there is a certain element of gourmandish feel to it as well. I don't think there are vanilla notes in this, but yeah, let's find out about the notes. So the top note has fresh green pear, cheerful red strawberries, floral elements, and pink pepper. I guess the mouth watering is due to the green pear and all. The heart notes is jasmine, peony, heliotrope, and magnolia. At the base you get vanilla, woods, and which means cedarwood and sandalwood both, and musk, of course. So it has a lot going on in this fragrance. So the jasmine gives this touch of depth and sophistication. There is a bit of floral and dewiness due to the peony and jasmine mixed together. The vanilla makes it gourmandish and edible. And due to the woods, the sandalwood and cedarwood, there is an element of mystery in it. Like, what is the person who will be wearing this? A lot of mystery will be surrounding that person. And musk, which always lends to the sensual side. So overall, it's a mouth-watering, sweet, sensual, sophisticated fragrance, a lot mixed together. I love this one. Bigger bottle indicates that at least, right? So yeah, definitely recommend all the three. Each fragrance has their own character, and every person who wears a fragrance has their own character. So go to a Titan store, take a sniff of the fragrance that you want to try out, or if you don't want, try to have the 20 mls delivered at your doorstep. Online you will get it at discounted rates as well. So have it at your doorstep, try those fragrances out and choose for yourself which one suits you best. Because for me, I love all three. I can't take my pick because each has a different character and I'm in love with each of these characters. So yes, With that, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends who might be interested in fragrances, and comment in the comment section if you have used any of these or you're planning to use any of these. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join this family, and hit the bell icon next to it, and also make sure you hit all in the personalized section so that you get updated for all my future updates. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.